First Alert Weather on 5 News.
Take a look outside now at all 5 of our cloudy local weather cams, and if you thought you would be finished with those winter weather alerts and advisories after last week's storm scare, well, you were wrong. I'm sorry. We have more of them to start this week, and they're going to go into tomorrow. Meteorologist Kayla Smith.
Yes, they are. We are going to be seeing most of this precipitation coming in the overnight hours. This temperature is going to be dropping significantly as the sun does set. But right now it is feeling still quite warm. You might be surprised walking outside feeling temperatures in the 50s that we do have winter weather advisories going into effect a little bit later tonight, but that is the case. These temperatures are going to be dropping. We are already seeing some precipitation as rain right now. It is very light and very scattered, and the bulk of the precipitation from this push in this system is to our north, and it is mostly as snow moving into Pennsylvania, parts of New York, and into New England. But there's more precipitation along this system. We're going to be seeing more of this, and you can see down in the plains where there is some of that heavy snow as well as some heavy mixed precipitation indicated by those purples there. So this is moving up towards us as we go towards tonight. We're going to be seeing this as snow, and we're going to be seeing this as ice. Those ice accumulations, particularly in the higher elevations, hence why this winter weather advisory is going into effect tonight for our mountain counties. We are still going to be seeing snowfall in the lowlands. All of us are likely to have a very messy morning commute tomorrow because of this, but because of those ice accumulations on top of snowfall accumulations, that is why we do have this advisory in effect for those higher elevations. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, our low temperatures are going to be very chilly. As I mentioned, we're going to be seeing those temperatures dropping significantly from where they are now all the way through tonight and into tomorrow morning. And we're not going to rise much throughout the day tomorrow. Even though that precipitation will be clearing out, our temperatures are going to be staying chilly, most of us only making it into the mid 30s. So taking a look at this on the futurecast, tonight we see a few more of those scattered showers, mostly as some rainfall. But as we start to head into those overnight hours, we do see that transition over into snowfall. And notice that in those higher elevations where we see some of those advisories in place, it's not going to be starting as snow. We see that first starting off as that more sleet or freezing rain. So we get that ice accumulation first before we start to see some of that snow kind of drifting a little bit further towards the south. And some of this snow could also be in some heavy pockets at times. Now, by the time we get to about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, most of that precipitation has moved out. We are just going to be dealing with clouds for the rest of the day. Now, that same system is potentially going to be bringing us another shot of some snow showers in the overnight hours Tuesday night into Wednesday, not really providing much accumulation, and it is mostly going to be gone by the time we get to about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then hopefully from there, we are looking to stay dry for the rest of the week. But with those snowfall accumulations from tonight through tomorrow, we're looking at about 1 to 2 inches in the lowlands and a little bit less in those higher elevations. Kind of different from what we typically see with expected snowfall accumulations because of the icing that we expect to see in those higher elevations. So taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we do have a chilly day on Friday, a very chilly Saturday morning, but then by the end of the weekend, we do see those temperatures warming up once again.